Did you know that the eye is the second most complex organ after the brain, and that it contains 2 million parts? Information experts, as well as brain scientists, have come to the conclusion that 90% of all the information we learn in a lifetime comes through our eyeballs via visual cues. The average person blinks 12 times per minute, about 10,000 blinks in an average day. It is an essential function of the eye that helps spread tears across and remove irritants from the surface of the cornea and conjunctiva. Blink speed can be affected by elements like fatigue, eye injury, medication, and disease. There are 2 types of blinking: spontaneous and reflex blinking. Maybe you have heard that women blink nearly twice as much as men do. That is just a myth. Average male and female blink rates are almost identical, although women using oral contraceptives blink 32% more often for unknown reasons. Generally, there is an interval between each blink of 2 to 10 seconds. However, when the eyes are focused on an object for an extended period of time, such as when reading, the rate of blinking decreases to about 3 to 4 times per minute. That is the major reason that eyes dry out and become fatigued when reading. Your eyes require no rest. The eye is the only part of the human body that can function at 100% ability at any moment, day or night. Just your eyelids and the external muscles of your eyes really do need rest, and the lubrication of your eyes requires replenishment. But your eyes themselves never actually need a break. How cool is that? The color of your eyes can actually change. In humans, the pigmentation of the iris varies from light brown to black. The appearance of blue and green, as well as hazel eyes, results from the Rayleigh scattering of light in the stroma. The term Rayleigh scattering is actually named after a British physicist named John William Strutt, also known as Lord Rayleigh. It's a phenomenon similar to that which accounts for the blueness of the sky. Actually, neither blue nor green pigments are ever present in the human iris or ocular fluid. For example, the brightly colored eyes of many bird species result from the presence of other pigments, such as pteridines, purines, and carotenoids. The genetics of the eye color are very complicated, and color is determined by multiple genes. So far, as many as 15 genes have been associated with eye color inheritance. Most babies who have European ancestry have light-colored eyes before the age of 1. As the child develops, melanocytes, which are cells found within the iris of human eyes, as well as skin and hair follicles, slowly begin to produce melanin, which is a group of natural pigments found in most organisms. In humans, for example, melanin is the primary determinant of the skin color. Did you know that all people with blue eyes can be traced back to just one ancestor who lived 10,000 years ago near the Black Sea? A team of scientists has tracked down a genetic mutation which leads to blue eyes. That mutation occurred between 6,000 and 10,000 years ago, and before then, there were no blue eyes. Basically, we all had brown eyes. The mutation affected a gene called OCA2, which is involved in the production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to our hair, eyes and skin, as mentioned before. Basically, the mutation resulted in the creation of a switch, which literally turned off the ability to produce brown eyes. But wait, there is one more interesting fact that I would like to share with you about blue eyes. People with blue eyes tend to have a higher alcohol tolerance than people with dark-colored eyes. A study used data from 2 archival samples to test the theory that people with light-colored eyes are more likely to abuse alcohol. Both samples proved that people with light eyes had consumed a considerable more amount of alcohol than those with dark eyes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, you can support me by subscribing to my channel, if you haven't done it already. Thanks for watching.